Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: What is the main objective of the National Education Policy (NEP) 2020 in India? Answer: C. Foster holistic and multidisciplinary education. Question: Which body is responsible for maintaining standards of higher education in India? Answer: A. UGC. Question: The Right to Education Act (RTE) mandates free and compulsory education for children in which age group? Answer: B. 6 to 14 years. Question: Which Indian institution is known as the Mother of Indian Universities? Answer: A. University of Calcutta. Question: What is the role of the NCERT in the Indian education system? Answer: B. Develop school curriculum and textbooks. Question: Which of the following is a key feature of the Kendriya Vidyalaya system? Answer: C. Central government-run schools for transferable employees. Question: The Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan (SSA) aims to achieve which of the following? Answer: B. Universal elementary education. Question: Which commission first recommended free and compulsory primary education in India? Answer: A. Kothari Commission. Question: The medium of instruction in Indian primary schools is primarily decided by? Answer: B. State government. Question: Which Indian education reform emphasized the importance of science and technology education post-independence? Answer: B. Kothari Commission report. Question: The National Institute of Open Schooling (NIOS) primarily caters to? Answer: B. Distance and open schooling learners. Question: Which of these is the apex body for technical education in India? Answer: B. AICTE. Question: The medium of instruction recommended by the NEP 2020 for early childhood education is? Answer: C. Mother tongue local language. Question: Which of the following is not a focus area of the National Education Policy 2020? Answer: B. Increased privatization. Question: What is the main function of the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE)? Answer: C. Conduct secondary and senior secondary school exams. Question: Which Indian education reform introduced the 10+2+3 system? Answer: B. Kothari Commission. Question: The concept of education for all was emphasized in which of the following? Answer: B. Jontien Conference 1990. Question: The literacy mission launched in 1988 aiming to eradicate illiteracy is called? Answer: B. National Literacy Mission. Question: Which of the following is a key feature of the Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan (RMSA)? Answer: A. Universalization of secondary education. Question. The medium of instruction in Kendriya Vidyalayas is generally? Answer. C. English and Hindi. Question. Which Indian Education Commission recommended the establishment of IITs? Answer. B. Radhakrishnan Commission. Question. Which scheme provides midday meals to school children in India? Answer. B. Midday Meal Scheme. Question. What is the main aim of the National Skill Development Mission? Answer. B. Enhance vocational skills and employability. Question. Which body prescribes the syllabus for higher secondary education in India? Answer. B. CBSE. Question. The first Indian university established in 1857 was? Answer. C. University of Calcutta. Question. Which Indian education policy emphasized the importance of adult education? Answer. B. Kothari Commission. Question. The term inclusive education means? Answer. B. Education for all children irrespective of their background. Question. Which Indian education reform introduced continuous and comprehensive evaluation, CCE? Answer. C. CBSE reforms in 2009. Question. The main focus of the National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, NPTEL, is? Answer. B. Online higher education courses. Question. Which of the following is not an autonomous institution under the Ministry of Education? Answer. C. AIIMS.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.